Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford F150 windshield wipers. This is an easy guide to help you maintain clear visibility on the road. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your truck is parked safely. Knowing your correct wiper blade size, typically 22 inches for both sides, is crucial for a perfect fit. Let's get started with this simple maintenance task. Now, let's remove those old, worn-out wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be gentle to prevent any damage. Next, find the small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade straight off the arm. Once removed, gently lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield or place a towel underneath it for protection. Installing your new wiper blades is just as straightforward. First, lift the wiper arm back into its upright position. Take your new blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Repeat these steps for the second wiper blade on the passenger side. With both new blades installed, gently lower the wiper arms back onto your windshield. Now, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the new wipers as they clear the glass, ensuring they operate smoothly and leave no streaks. For optimal visibility and safety, it's recommended to replace your Ford F150 wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice reduced performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.